All right, what's up, guys? Oh my gosh, doing the live streams are, I don't know. I guess they're not meant to be, man. It's getting damn, that annoyed me so much. Anyways, yeah, I'll just do a little quick video explaining it then, since God doesn't want me to do this. But anyways, let's take a look here. All right, like I said, there's obviously a trend on the Bitcoin chart. We got a nice little channel that we've been following since the 13th of March. Um, anyways, we've been using this channel. Okay, take a look at this really quickly. I just want to point this out over here. You see this? We come up to the top of the channel, come to the middle, don't test the full length, straight up at resistance, shot back down to the channel. All right, this is a good place. This is a good support area right in this area up to 42 K right in this area. As you can see, how Bitcoin, when it jumped up, it kind of grew some support in the middle of the channel, didn't go to the sides completely. You see that? That's a good support area. And if we get to that level around 42K, 41.8, I would hope, I'm going to go in pretty heavy there. Anyways, so we're going up. We didn't test that full length there. Consolidation, push up here and then consolidation, touch the channel, push would have been great. But now I think we have an issue. Is we pushed to consolidation, and then we gave another push. Way below resistance. We gave $1,000 push all the way to tippy top of resistance, and then got rejected very harshly. I think if we would have consolidated here, played out like this, like the trend was going, and bounced close to the trend line, and then gave the push while we're, in this area, things would have looked way better. But since we didn't get that full loaded spring, we got stopped at resistance once again, and now I expect, like I put on Twitter, come catch the trend line, build some support all the way down to 43K probably. That's what I would guess. So, medium term, Bitcoin, we're in an uptrend. I'm not going to fight the trend until, there's a reason to do so. It's just been getting blocked at resistance, chopping down, building support, and going for it again. That's the trend. So medium term, I think we get blocked out here, consolidate, drop down to 43K possibly, and then continue our rise, as long as the trend allows us to do so. Area I don't think you want to see lose is this 42K area, because then we'll revisit down here, which I think we finally built some decent support in, the 40.8K area. And we did exactly what we were supposed to do down here too. We didn't get blocked out down there, didn't lose our support. And then we finally got the push. We didn't push all the way from down here to resistance. We finally got the push we needed. Bam. Came back, tested our last resistance, consolidated a little bit, slow grind, and then a push through this last resistance. We didn't just slow grind here and then push right there. We pushed all the way at the top of the resistance down there, up there. And so that's what gave us the good momentum push to break through it, and has been every time. Gosh, damn, stop drawing random lines, please. But yeah, that's, so this is my plan for now. I do think we probably catch that 43K area again, somewhere around it, 43.2K. Hope so, at least. It'd be a nice little long swing day, a swing trade. I'd hope for, we lose it, we finally come down here, maybe pretty harshly. I'd like a nice hard push down, so we can recapture it and then go. I'd actually probably close my trade, at this area that we've found support in macro, this area. I wouldn't hope for a push farther. I'd be being greedy then. But that'd be a nice little day trade. But yeah, that's the plan on the Bitcoin chart that I am waiting for now very patiently. Get rid of that squiggly line, please. Anyways. But on the 2 hour, we'll look at real quick. Got a little whipsaw coming. So, it was a bullish close on the 2 hour, as you can see. It was bullish. We closed through the last two, so maybe we can get that pushed to 44.8 now. That'd be, that's what we're waiting for. And remember, we want a slow grind past this macro resistance and then push. I mean, a slow grind right before the macro resistance, right before it push. We don't want a slow grind through it, because then we're going to get a push probably to the highs, which will still be okay to short. But if that comes to that area, if we want the momentum to push before macro for the best odds of a short, in my opinion. But yeah, that's the plan for now, guys. On that, I'm going to jump into a couple things about yield farming and passive income with different altcoins and crypto. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of YFI or Yearn Finance. Hopefully so. The YFI. You can look them up. Anyways, the creator behind that was pretty much the mastermind of DeFi. Andre Cronje. You may have heard the name. Anyways, he's the mastermind behind it all. Not behind it all, but you get what I mean. He was like a leading founder of the DeFi world. Anyways, he recently, there was a big little story with all that. He finally left the scene completely and decided he was done with the projects. But ever since he's left the scene, he's been buying CRV and CVX, Convex Finance. Convex is what he's actually been buying for his project Caper. That's one of his many projects, is Caper. Anyways, he's been buying it through their contract. Anyway, so Convex Finance. All right, how do these two, go together? Anyways, you can buy CRV Curve. Let me just, it's called Curve. Let me go to. No. Just gonna show y'all the names real quick. Curve. Curve Finance. No, why? You shit, man. Like CRV, please. Okay, there we go. That's what we needed to do. It's $2.36 right now. So that's one of them. These are going to do well, guys. These are going to do well. Anyways, and then there's Convex Finance. Okay, it's got about 300 million more in the market cap, but it should do very good. This is what Andre Cronje has been buying and locking it up and staking the coin. Anyways, you can buy two of these. So I mean, you need to buy both of them to do what I'm doing. Say you got $1,000. You probably want more than that, honestly, but say you got $1,000. You'll buy $500 worth of CVX, Convex Finance, and then $500 worth of Curve token, okay, CRV. Then you'll take it to the Convex Finance website, okay? I'm recording all this, right? Okay. Yes, I am. Thank God. Yes, thank you. Anyways, you will come down here to, first off, you will go to stake. Click on stake. Go down, go through all their pools. You may can actually search it. Yeah, you can. Anyways, here it is. You'll find CVX CRV. So you can probably just type in CVX CRV. There you are. Okay. You can see the APR is 28%. That's very nice. Anyways, you buy 500 each worth of Curve. Buy 500 Curve, you buy 500 CVX. Okay, you don't have to do these. There are many different protocols that do this. They're coming out every single day. I'll jump into a couple more right after this. But anyways, Jesus, that is crazy. That coin went so hard. My bad. Anyways, you buy 500 of each. You come to this website. You come to this website and you click this right here: deposit liquidity into the Curve pool. Okay. You'll connect your wallet, your Ethereum wallet, and you'll have CRV, and then you'll have the 500 CRV, and you'll have $500 worth of CRV, and then $500 worth of CVX. Anyways, once you're here, you'll connect your wallet. You'll have 500, 200 CRV and 20 CVX, whatever it is. You'll deposit all of them into the pool. In return, you'll get liquidity tokens, okay, LP tokens. They will be automatically put into your wallet. You'll have LP tokens, CRV, CVX, LP tokens. You'll come back here to this page right here. You will take those LP tokens that you just received from putting into the liquidity pool here. You'll push max, you'll push approve, you'll deposit and stake them. And it will sit there, and you will sit there and you will earn CRV and some CVX and rewards. It will sit there and just collect rewards for you. You know, you'll come to claim over here, and you can claim your staked CVX, your staked CVX, CVRV, whatever you have, and you can claim it all. You know, that's one of the few protocols that I'm using for things like this. That I have used. I mean, it's my favorite one so far. The curve wars are real. The curve wars, you can look this stuff up. You know, they're going to be. It's going to be a big thing. You can also look at the chart here for convex finance. Definitely broke the trend, the downtrend here. Down at $16. All-time highs, you know, are $60, but it was like a one-day thing. So you know, it's coming up on the high right now. You know, as long as the market stays fine, they'll just slowly continue to grind up as people stake and lock away their CVX to claim all these nice rewards. You know, it's a $1 billion market cap right now. I expect it to be, you know, 5 to 10 billion there. So honestly, that's my expectations of it. All right, and anyways, let's look into nodes. I wouldn't go do these nodes right now. I will update you about them. But I just want to give the information just in case no one knows about it. Well, you don't know. A lot of people do. This is called Strong. You can buy 10 Strong. You can buy 10 Strong, and you will create your own little node provider for Strong. Then yeah, you can take it to their website. Where is it? I thought they had. Yeah, they don't, I guess. Strong. I forgot what it was called. Strong Block. That's what it was. All right. Anyways, you take your 10 Strongs that you just bought, and you go here and you push create node. I'm not saying necessarily do this right now. Then you go through connect your wallet, and it will literally take you step by step through doing it. It's not hard to do. I don't have a strong node anymore. I had a strong node way back when they were like worth like $500 each in this area, and I got rid of it. But yeah, it's very, you know, these things are coming out. They're still coming out with different node projects, and usually, if you can hop on a nice node project that hasn't taken off yet, like Strong did, you know, you can do very well. And I've been looking at them myself, different various ones. Frost is one that I've seen here lately. But I wouldn't jump into it yet. I wouldn't. I haven't really seen any big news about it or any hype around the coin. So, but yeah, these are things you can do for passive income, creating nodes. You need to look into node projects. You know, eventually you'll find some that are worthy of something. Or you can just wait on me and I'll find some eventually. Let's look at some shitcoins I bought the other day. As you can see, I'm pretty good at figuring out what shitcoin's going to move, man. You know, HMI, we bought it. I bought it on the day of. It was like, I bought this dip. That's what it was. I literally bought that dip right there. And as you can see, we're about 7x now, 6x, 6x. So, I mean, it's the easiest money in the world, you know. Also, we'll look at my Kiba buy. Kiba Inu. Kiba Inu. And here we are. I mean, and I bought Kiba at this 236 level, right on this dip. Literally the bottom, and then 3x. 3x some more. It's $60 million market cap, 63 million. Bought it at like 25, I think, 22 or something around there. But anyways, it was, you know, I'm pretty good at finding what coins are going to move. MRI hasn't been doing anything. It's still at 8 cents. You know, we'll look at that in 1 second. Here's Metis though. I like this project a lot, but it is just can't get above it. Its market cap is 437 million. I think it may be over with. Honestly, let's see here. You know, it don't look good necessarily. We'll probably come back to the $100 range. I wouldn't buy into that, but you know, there's you need to get familiar with Uniswap tokens if you want to make money the way you know in a bunch of different ways. You know, there's too many opportunities out there to just be trying to trade leverage Bitcoin. You know, there's too many opportunities out there for you to do. Um, so you know, you definitely need to branch out and try to find different things. I have no other shit coins that I've looked at other than Stilton, Kiba, MRI, and HMI. You know, keep those in the back of your mind. Um, Also, Stilton, that one's a very good one. If you can catch a dip on Stilton, man, just get you one. If you can get a good large dip on it, get you one. Um, and then here's diamonds. I posted about it yesterday. The funny thing was, is someone was like, "Dude, you just posted it, and it's 25% up already." I posted it right here. It went up another 2,500%. You know, at 2x still. People are fading it pretty hard right now. So you know, if it goes a little deeper, um, I'll also be looking at that. Vulture is another one. They're about to come out with their own nodes. I almost forgot about it. They're just now starting nodes. This is a completely like mysterious project. No one knows anything about them. You know, they're actually communicating through various code on the blockchain, leaving little hints and things. And they just left a hint this morning about them releasing nodes. So I'm keeping my eye on it. The thing about these shit coins is the charts just look like ass almost always because there's very low liquidity and not much volume that are going into it until it's too late. Until it's too late and it's already went up in fucking 10,000%. That's when people start looking at it. And but yeah, these are charts that are nice. This one's it's got on this bigger dip. It's about half of its all-time high almost. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. If I enter these things, y'all will know, so you don't have to rush into anything. Um, but yeah, you need to look into node projects, man, and keep your eye open and your ear open. And whenever you hear something about them, just look into them and see what they offer. Um, you need to branch out into the different game, branch out into different levels of this game. There's a lot of them. There's a lot of different levels to make easy money on this with cryptocurrency. Whether it be yield farming or any of the other. Whenever I figure out something that I genuinely think is going to move, I will let you guys know. But anyways, man, y'all know the plan. Y'all know what I'm looking for, what I'm looking at. Other than that, man, I'd really appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribe, man. All right, y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.